Prime Minister and Minister for Itaukei Affairs, Sugar Industry and Foreign Affairs, Honorable José Warange Bainimarama, His Excellency Mr. Masahiro Mura, Ambassador of Japan, Permanent Secretaries, Senior Government officials and media personnel. Today's signing marks the formalization of the agreement between the Government of Japan and the Fiji government in furthering Government of Japan's assistance towards the Adopt a School program under the Ministry of Economy. The Government of Japan have already adopted 4 schools under this program, and the additional commitment will see to the rehabilitation of 5 additional schools under the program. This brings Japan's total assistance under the Adopt a School program to Fiji $8.4 million. There will be 5 documents involved in the signing this morning, commencing with the grant contract for Lawaki District School, Namena District School, Varavu Sanantan Daram School, Watua Catholic School, and Wunbukoi District School.